What's going on YouTube? This is Marco from Equipment Out Pressure Washing, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, we're going to start disassembling a fence so we can do some repairs. Let's go ahead and look at it.
Okay. Even the sun goes down. Heroes eventually die. Horoscopes often lie, and sometimes why. Nothing is for show, nothing is for certain. Nothing lasts forever, but until they close the curtain. It's him and I, Aquemini.
Here's the fence. As you can see, it is down and out. Basically what happened is the wood post has rotten out. So we had 4 posts that rotten out. So we're gonna see what can we salvage from the fence before we go ahead and go get materials to repairs. So one thing I want to do is see if we can use any of these boards, fence boards. We can reuse them if we can. We're going to try to save them, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start disassembling everything, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, as you can see, I got the fence completely down. That's what's rotten, stuff like that. And basically what I did was the 4x4s that are good, which are this one, which is solid, and the one over there is solid. Those are the ones I'm gonna use. I was supposed to be reusing these fence, this part of the fence. I don't know how much of this is gonna be usable, but we're gonna try to recycle as much as we can. This is bent, so I left it like this so that way it can try to straighten itself out. But as you can see, the bottom part of this is rotten, so I don't know if we can maybe use this. This is the part of the fence that we can't use. It's just the post and some of the fence that was broken, rotten and stuff. We couldn't use it. All right, Aqueminites, that's going to do it for this video. Hope that you found it entertaining. If not, at least I hope that you learned something from it. If you didn't, go back and look at the video because you skipped over the good parts. Once again, if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And if you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know the second part of this video is going to come out as soon as I get through with this. But until then, this is Marcos from Equipment Out Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Aquemini.